Hi guys, welcome back to Celebville Entertainment, where we bring you celebrity gossip and celebrity entertainment. Today we are talking about Uthando Nesthembu season 9, guys. Uthando Nesthembu season 9, it is going down. It's more drama and it's more dramatic than ever. Like out of all the seasons that I've watched, this one takes the cup. It takes the cup. So Musam Seleku is threatening to cut off his wives financially, guys. He is threatening to cut them off financially because he is saying that they don't want to listen to him. They want to wear the pants in this relationship, in this marriage. So he just wants nje to cut them off and see what they're going to be doing. Not all his wives gay, but it's the three wives that are just against number five, and they are against everything that he is doing. And also Musamseleku Guysini, he doesn't wanna be wrong. Every time Jena he needs to be right. You must not go against his will, otherwise he threatens to cut you off financially. So he threatened to cut off Uma Khumalo, Uma Ngwabe, and Umayeni financially, meaning that Utiena, if they don't listen to what he is saying, he will cut them off financially. He will stop paying for the houses that he bought them. And then he is saying that as for Uma Khumalo, because she bought her own house, he can just close off all her streams of incomes. And I'm like, close off all Makumalo's streams of income. Are you responsible for the streams of income? Like kuningi sana, and manje it feels like he is playing God because sana only God has the right to do that. So yena he is basically implying that Makumalo got all the brand sponsorships, brand deals because of him. So nje he can just take a phone, make a phone call and tell those brands to stop working with Makumalo so that she doesn't have any financial means. Is that what he is saying right now? Because what kind of a person does that? What kind of a person says that about their own wife? Like this season, everything is just going against Uma Khumalo. Even Umamkulu Macele. Macele is just saying ukuthi yazini Uma Khumalo, and I quote, Uma Khumalo uyangidakela. Like, why would you say something like that about someone? Hey, no, like Umakumalo is really, really the villain this season. All along, nje kwamanye seasons, it used to be Umangwabe, as she used to say, ukuthi she is leaving. But this season, things are really not going well for Umakumalo. People are threatening to cut off ama streams of income wake as if kuningi sana. And on the other hand, Umamkulu is just like Makumalo this, Makumalo that. At some point, she even exposed Makumalo ukuthi Makhumalo got pregnant before, like kuningi sana. Even Umseleku posted on Instagram. He posted this picture that you see here and then wrote a very long caption. So that caption, when you read it, you can just tell ukuthi this person was just throwing guns at Uma Khumalo. This is what he wrote. Qhubeka nama-plans wakho ungawamisi. Ngibona ngathi ufune abantu aba-wrong as advisors. Your wives will never be ready. Your problem ulunge kakhulu wena and people bazogida ekhanda lakho. When you are a woman leaving your home uyogana, uhlaliswa phansi uyalwe and be given examples of things to expect and how to handle them respectfully. Eyiyona ehamba phambili ithi wahlonipha umyeni wakho umthobele. This is confirmed by the scripture when it says, men love your wives. Wives show humility to your husband. It is true we cannot see things the same way, but you rely on your dissatisfaction respectfully. Hayi ukukhonjwa ngomunwe. Ekhaya we want a wife, not a CEO, not a doctor of philosophy, all the way from Swaziland. So this is, as he is saying yena uthi it's an advice that he got from someone from Swaziland, as Sholana at the end of the caption. They're just advising him ukuthi no, Your wives, some of them, they point at you when they talk with you. That refers to Mayeni. And then when they say they don't want a CEO, it's clearly they're talking about Makumalo. Like, yo, Sana Guningi Sham, I really feel for Makumalo at this point. Hi.